Did you know that 50 years ago, 32 people burned alive in a gay bar because someone wanted them dead? On June 24, 1973, the upstairs lounge in New Orleans was packed with people just trying to have a good time. Then someone rang the buzzer downstairs. When bartender Buddy Rasmussen opened the door, flames exploded through the building like a bomb had gone off. The fire raced up the stairs and spread across the second floor in minutes. People ran to the windows, but they were barred shut. They tried the main stairway, but it had become a tower of flames. There was nowhere to go. Reverend Bill Larson was found burned to death, still sitting at the bar. Some victims had melted into the floor. But here's the most chilling part. Families refused to claim the bodies. The media barely reported it. Police didn't really investigate. They questioned Roger Dale Nunes, the suspected arsonist, but never charged him. 50 years later, no one has ever been arrested for this mass murder. 32 people died, and no one seemed to care.